Amazon has such amazing kitchenware and household products, and amazing useful gadgets. If you want to buy them, then there is a line-to-line link of all the products in the box. You can go there and order them. This is the Momo's dumpling makers. In this type of flavor, you will get a bucket made of plastic, in which if you want to make momos or dumplings at home sometimes, then you can make them easily. This is foldable storage with steel frame. You will definitely get this foldable storage bin along with it. Inside it has a steel frame through which it stays. I mean, if it stops, then you can take out each pair of jeans line by line so that whenever you take them out. And this is an electric spices blender. In this you can also blend spices, you can blend coffee, or if you want to make juice etc., then you can blend that too in this. This is a 2-in-1 machine, which is going to be very useful for you in the kitchen. This is wall, bolt, screw, sticker, hook. These are screw sticker hooks made of wall bolt. It has a screw attached to it. You can stick it on your wall, peel it off and stick any album, basket, any heavy thing, even a water bottle, or any shower shelf, and this is a micro steam iron. If you want to steam iron your clothes, then you will need this type of vacuum iron. Ice steam iron, in which you can spray your clothes, as well as iron them, and its price is only 729 Indian rupees. This is the non-stick grater. This is the non-stick grater. Even if you are frying eggs and many other things, it does not stick. It easily gives a good shape to the rings, gives a good look, and it does not stick very well. You can easily make all types of rings, in all types of shapes. You will get a complete set of rings, and these Adhesive Mirror for wall are so good, you will get peel-off mirrors here. You do not need to buy the real ones. If they break, the house becomes dirty and a lot of problems arise. This is a peel-off mirror, which you can fix on your wall, and it looks very nice even if you want a bigger one. This foldable cloth drying rack can be placed in your balcony, so that you can dry shoes, slippers, clothes, socks, small children's clothes, etc. This is a polyester drying mat. In this drying mat, you have a small plastic layer, in which you can put all your plates and bowls, and it is made of polyester. So all your utensils get dried in it. They get dried in this way that you get a very nice mat to keep on the kitchen counter.